A beehive is a fascinating and complex structure, home to a colony of honey bees. It is made up of a series of hexagonal cells that are constructed from beeswax. These cells are used to store honey, pollen, and brood, eggs, larvae, and pupae. Honey bees are social insects that live in colonies. A single colony can contain up to 80,000 bees. The colony is made up of three types of bees: the queen, the workers, and the drones. The queen bee is the only female bee in the colony and is responsible for laying eggs. The worker bees are female bees that are responsible for all of the other tasks in the hive, such as foraging for food, building and repairing the hive, and caring for the young. The drones are male bees that are responsible for mating with the queen. Honey bees are important pollinators. They play a vital role in the reproduction of many plants, including fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Without honey bees, many of our favorite foods would not exist. A beehive is home to a colony of honey bees, which can number in the tens of thousands. The colony is made up of three types of bees: the queen, the workers, and the drones. The queen bee The queen bee is the only female bee in the colony and is responsible for laying eggs. She is the largest bee in the hive and has a long, slender body. The queen bee is responsible for laying all of the eggs that will produce new bees. She can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. Worker bees Worker bees are female bees that are responsible for all of the other tasks in the hive. They are smaller than the queen bee and have a shorter, more robust body. Worker bees are responsible for foraging for food, building and repairing the hive, and caring for the young. Drone bees Drone bees are male bees that are responsible for mating with the queen. They are larger than worker bees and have a longer, more slender body. Drone bees do not have stingers and do not participate in any of the other tasks in the hive. Each type of bee has a specific role to play in the colony. The queen bee is responsible for laying eggs, the worker bees are responsible for all of the other tasks in the hive, and the drone bees are responsible for mating with the queen. Inside a beehive, there is a constant buzz of activity. The workers are constantly moving, foraging for food, building and repairing the hive, and caring for the young. The queen is constantly laying eggs, and the drones are constantly waiting for an opportunity to mate with her. Foraging for food Worker bees are responsible for foraging for food for the colony. They collect nectar and pollen from flowers and bring it back to the hive. The nectar is used to make honey, which is the colony's food source. The pollen is used to feed the young bees. Building and repairing the hive Worker bees are also responsible for building and repairing the hive. They use beeswax to construct the hive's honeycomb structure. The honeycomb is made up of a series of hexagonal cells. The cells are used to store honey, pollen, and brood, eggs, larvae, and pupae. Caring for the young Worker bees are also responsible for caring for the young bees. They feed the young bees and clean the hive. The young bees will eventually grow into adult bees and take on their own roles in the colony. Laying eggs The queen bee is responsible for laying eggs. She lays up to 2,000 eggs per day. The eggs are laid in the hive's honeycomb cells. The eggs will eventually hatch into larvae, which will then grow into adult bees. Mating Drone bees are responsible for mating with the queen. They wait for an opportunity to mate with the queen and then fly out of the hive to find her. The queen will mate with several drones. The drones will then die after mating. The hive is a fascinating and complex world, and it is a testament to the amazing abilities of honey bees. Honey bees are important pollinators. They play a vital role in the reproduction of many plants, including fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Without honey bees, many of our favorite foods would not exist. Pollination Honey bees pollinate plants by transferring pollen from the male part of the plant to the female part of the plant. This allows the plant to produce seeds and reproduce. Honey bees are responsible for pollinating over 90% of the world's flowering plants. Honey production Honey bees also produce honey. Honey is a sweet, viscous liquid that is made from nectar. Honey bees collect nectar from flowers and then store it in their stomachs. The nectar is then converted into honey by enzymes in the honey bee's stomach. Honey is a valuable food source for honey bees and is also used by humans as a food and sweetener. Other products Honey bees also produce other products, such as beeswax, propolis, and royal jelly. Beeswax is used to build the hive. Propolis is a sticky substance that is used to seal the hive and protect it from pests and diseases. Royal jelly is a special food that is fed to the queen bee and the young bees. Honey bees are important insects that play a vital role in our ecosystem. They are responsible for pollinating many of our favorite foods and producing honey and other products. It is important to protect honey bees and their habitats. Honey bees are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. Habitat loss Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats to honey bees. Honey bees need a variety of habitats to survive, including forests, meadows, and wetlands. However, these habitats are being destroyed by human activities, such as deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization. Pesticides Pesticides are another major threat to honey bees. Honey bees can be poisoned by pesticides when they collect nectar and pollen from treated plants. Pesticides can also kill honey bees directly. Climate change Climate change is also a threat to honey bees. Climate change is causing the weather to become more extreme, which can make it difficult for honey bees to survive. Climate change is also causing the flowering period of plants to change, which can make it difficult for honey bees to find food. These threats are putting honey bees at risk. It is important to take action to protect honey bees and their habitats. We can do this by planting flowers that are attractive to bees, avoiding the use of pesticides, and supporting beekeepers. There are a number of things that you can do to help honey bees. Plant flowers One of the best things you can do to help honey bees is to plant flowers that are attractive to them. Honey bees are attracted to flowers that are blue, purple, yellow, or white. They are also attracted to flowers that are fragrant. Some good choices for bee-friendly flowers include lavender, sunflowers, daisies, and clover. Avoid pesticides Another way to help honey bees is to avoid using pesticides. Pesticides can kill honey bees directly or indirectly. If you must use pesticides, choose products that are labeled as bee safe. Support beekeepers You can also help honey bees by supporting beekeepers. Beekeepers care for honey bees and help to keep them healthy. You can support beekeepers by buying local honey and beeswax products. By taking these actions, you can help to protect honey bees and ensure that they continue to play their vital role in our ecosystem.